Well, everybody wants to eat smart, but sometimes that's a lot easier said than done, especially when it comes to snacking.
Yeah, exactly. And when we're hungry, we grab what's quick and easy, but sometimes our choices are not so good for our teeth.
Absolutely. So today what we'll do is we will turn to our pro. Dr. Martin Goebbel is here with smart snacks for healthy teeth. Hi, Dr. Goebbel.
Good morning.
It's good to see you. We're actually, usually we're sitting, and now we're standing, and we're ready to go. You know,
and you just had a great workout.
Yes. Yeah. Now we need our dental workout.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to actually take a quiz today, Kristen and I. Okay, and what's going to happen is you're going to ask us how these snacks will affect our teeth, and then we'll try to answer them correctly.
Right.
Right? That's good.
That'll work.
I'm good with that.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. First we have fruit roll-ups or foot-long fruit by the foot or strawberries. Which is better?
Oh, you are fast. Whoa. Look out.
Okay.
I'm going to go with strawberries are better.
You're 100% right there.
I am?
Yay.
Yes.
High five. Thank you.
Fruit roll-ups are very adhesive. They stick to your teeth. So,
Okay,
plus they're full of sugar.
That's what it say, the sugar content, right?
The bad thing about them is the adhesiveness.
But that's the
They
worst.
stick into the nooks and crannies and in between the teeth, and the way cavities form is by biofilm, which used to be called plaque. Collects on your teeth. Well, the more you feed the bacteria that are in this biofilm, the more acid you produce,
Now,
the more
when you-
likely to get
When
cavities.
you get something stuck like that in your teeth, what's the best way to get it out?
Good question.
What's the best way to get it out?
Yeah.
Rinsing sometimes will help. Most of the time it's going to take some mechanical scrubbing, whether it's with a toothbrush or some of the other foods that we're talking about today will actually help remove some of that.
Oh, good.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
And before we
Okay.
move on real quick, do the strawberries stain your teeth, though, the red?
The strawberries can stain.
Okay.
Again, the way stains work is if you have biofilm on your teeth, the colors that are in the fruits and the foods that we eat get into that biofilm and it holds it there. So if you eliminate the biofilm, you're less likely to get staining.
Teeth. Oh,
That's interesting.
Really good stuff.
Okay,
there.
I like that.
What's the next one?
Next one, we have raisins or grapes.
I'm going to say grapes.
You're
I
right
agree.
there again. Again, it's the
Okay. Is it the
retentive thing.
Stickiness? Is
Yeah,
that
that's
what
what I
it
was
is?
thinking
stickiness.
about. I was like, this is going to get stuck in your...
Although I
in this
really
little
love
mix of
raisins.
cream, Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
But
Raisins,
yeah, they do. They get stuck
they
in
get
that.
stuck not only in the grooves and pits on the teeth, but also in between the teeth. And then if you don't remove it, okay.
Yeah.
So what's the next one?
Yes.
Next one, apples or oranges?
I'm going to go with apples.
Okay. Why?
Because I would say when it's more of like a water-based fruit. I don't know if I'm right, but I feel like with oranges it gets stuck in my teeth. The orange.
Oranges are great for you. The problem is they're more acidic. Any of your citrus fruits are acidic.
Okay.
So it's about the acid.
The acid starts to erode enamel. And you see all the commercials now from the toothpaste that are supposed to protect the enamel. Well, oranges tend to roughen the enamel, so biofilm collects more. Not a bad snack. Certainly good for you,
Right.
but not as good as apples.
And probably
apples
better
are
to
good.
cut. Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
No, and apples are good too. Can't you like eat an apple after you eat something, and it helps kind of get?
It helps clean
they're
your
gritty,
teeth.
right?
That's
yeah,
right.
they have some crispiness to them.
And probably
Some
better
crunch.
to cut so you don't chip anything by biting too hard on an apple either.
No,
No?
you can eat them.
Good.
Off the
because
court.
I always worry about that.
Okay.
Okay, good. So you've alleviated a lot of worry for me so far.
Okay.
Oh.
Now we got a tough one.
Oh, ice cream.
Swiss cheese or ice cream?
I'm gonna go with the cheese is better.
And I was going to go with the ice cream is better.
Well, the cheese is better.
Is it the sugar?
Especially Swiss cheese. But ice cream has much more sugar than the cheese does.
Right, true.
The issue with ice cream is most ice creams now are not just plain ice cream. They've added stuff. This particular brand
point.
has butter crunch in it. Well, that butter crunch gets stuck in the nooks and crannies. Again, you have retentiveness. But Swiss cheese actually has a chemical that helps to fight both biofilm and thereby fight cavities.
Really?
Oh,
So
okay.
eating
That's
Swiss
good.
cheese,
And that's one of the
So
few
if you
cheeses
eat
I
that,
like.
if you have like a meal, if you ate a little piece of Swiss cheese and
afterwards,
afterwards, that helps
helps
out a
to
little
clean
A
bit.
the
little
teeth
apple,
and
a
it
little
helps.
Swiss cheese. I'm
Yep.
happy.
Yeah.
I actually love Swiss cheese. That's good.
Okay.
That's good to know. The reason I guessed ice cream is because I figured it was more watery and the Swiss cheese
Yeah,
is
I
stickier.
mean, I was kind of.
Oh, this is tough. Okay.
Now there's three things here.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
We've got hard candies. We've got caramel-coated, chocolate-covered caramel,
That's
and
gotta
plain
be bad.
chocolate.
Yeah, I'm guessing this is the worst, right? The caramel's probably the worst. I'm gonna say there's probably more sugar in the Jolly Ranchers. I'm gonna go with the Hershey Kisses. You
Yeah, I
too?
would go with
That's
Kisses.
being the best?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yay! High five.
High five.
Hard candies. Hard candies bathe
Bad.
your teeth constantly.
Bathe
suck
your
on it.
teeth. What an interesting way to put it.
Well, you're feeding all these bacteria. And you pop these and you keep it takes, what, half an hour to dissolve one of those? Maybe
Wow.
not quite that long.
That's a good
so
point.
you're feeding all those bacteria. Again, the problem with the caramel is that the adhesiveness. It sticks. Chocolate, plain chocolate, without toffee, without nougat, without nuts are okay, but any of the gooey stuff, no. Plain chocolate will actually help stop cavities, just like Swiss cheese.
will?
Really? Oh,
Bring on
you had
the
to get the
chocolate.
kind of, not the milk chocolate though, right?
Milk chocolate's fine,
Milk chocolate's okay.
That's
but dark
great.
chocolate's better for your heart.
We love you even more now than we did yesterday.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
That is
really
good
interesting.
news. Really
All
good.
right.
And of course, if you do have any dental needs, you definitely want to go visit Dr. Goebbel. Before you go, real quick, I'm going to go with, because the apple was better than the orange, I'm going to go with the apple juice.
Same thing.
We're getting smart.
Yeah, we're
When
getting
you're
there.
when you're drinking, orange juice is great for you.
Yeah.
But if you sip it all day, you're
acidity.
creating the acidity.
And I would imagine that's not good for your stomach either, all that acidity.
Well, it can create problems. Apple juice can create problems too, but
So what does the acidity do? Does it just kind of eat at your enamel, or?
that's how cavities work. The bacteria create an acid that eats away the enamel.
That makes sense.
So the more acid you put in there, the more you're going to have. All right.
Oh, soda's my favorite. That's my weakness. I would guess because this probably has less of the artificial coloring, I'm going to go with 7-Up being better.
Well,
Yeah, I agree.
neither one is really great for you.
Yeah.
They're both full of sugar. And again, sipping this is going to create issues.
Why?
Okay.
Well, because you're
constantly
continually
bathing.
feeding the bacteria. Plus, soda is acidic. So not only have you out the sugar, but you've got the acid that's like in the
Is
orange
it the
juice.
carbonated water that's the acidic part,
No.
or no? Oh.
No. Plain carbonated water is
It's
great
fine.
for you.
That's actually good for you,
Okay.
like seltzer, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we want to stay away from
You get an
sodas.
issue with the flavorings and the colorings in the dark sodas that can cause staining. So you get more stain from this one.
Okay, good. And do we have any more? This is fun.
Red wine, white wine.
Oh, I'm going to guess white wine.
White wine.
As far as staining goes, white wine, definitely.
Okay.
But white wine also has the same chemical as Swiss cheese and chocolate that helps to stop cavities.
Really?
White wine.
Okay.
Now, red wine's better for your heart.
Right.
So, again,
it's a balancing act.
if you reduce the amount of biofilm on your teeth, then the red wine's not going to stain as much.
This is good to know.
Yeah,
Our
that
wine
is
drinkers
good.
are going to love this. So good for the heart. And
All right.
then this is actually better for the teeth. The teeth.
All right, you got coffee, tea,
Oh boy.
water. These are all mostly staining things.
Water.
Okay.
And this is milk.
I would guess, well, milk has calcium, and I would guess that milk is good for your bones and maybe for your
Yeah.
jaw and your gums as well, right?
Milk's a great nutritionally.
Okay.
However, especially in infants, when you put a baby to bed with a bottle and they have teeth, you're going to create cavities.
Okay.
Okay? Milk is full of sugars. So,
Yeah, I was thinking
if you have infants and toddlers, no sippy cups with milk.
Good tip.
Use water.
Use water.
Okay.
Very good tip.
Coffee's going to stain your teeth. Tea's going to stain your teeth. Again, depending on
Okay.
how much biofilm you've got.
Okay.
And what you put in that stuff.
That's-
If you put lemon in your tea, you've added acid
You've
to
added
it.
acid, exactly.
So then it becomes more detrimental to the teeth.
This is very helpful information. Hopefully, you're going to be back again in 2 weeks, and you can give us more details. Yeah.
Your best
fruit?
snacks?
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Veggies. All right.
They have less sugars. They're crunchy. They help to clean bioflac off your teeth. And they're good for
And
you.
they're good.
Yeah, that's
good
right.
too.
So if you don't have a toothbrush handy, that's the snack.
And
you
let's
need to
tell
go
our viewers
for.
real quick how they can find Dr. Goebbel. If you need any information, all you need to do is go to. Tell them.
Southern Boulevard Dental Center at 2716 Southern Boulevard in Rio Rancho. 892-8600.
Fabulous. Great information, Dr. Goebbel. This was
Yeah,
fun.
thank you
Let's
so
do
much.
this again. I love this, and I learned a lot. And now that we've taken a break, we've had some snacks. All right, I guess we got to go work out again. That's coming up next with Karin. Don't go away.